Today we are going to be making some chocolate chip granola bars. The ingredients in the back are the base ingredients, and to stick it all together we're going to be using agave nectar and a lot of honey. To start it all off, we're going to be using 1.5 cup of Rice Krispies or puff quinoa and a 1/4 cup of ground up flaxseed. You're going to use a 1/2 cup of sliced almonds and 2 cups of quick cooking oats or instant oats. Then take a spoon and mix all that mixture together. Next, we're going to be warming up our honey and agave nectar mixture. Put your stove on medium to low heat, and we're going to be using a 1/2 cup of honey at least. So I have it in a mason jar so it's nice and easy to measure. The more honey you use, the easier your granola bars are going to stick together. But if you use too much, then it's going to be really hard to get the mixture right. So somewhere between a 1/2 cup and 3/4 cups is probably right. After the honey, you want to put a 1/4 cup of agave nectar and mix it in with the honey. For this, you want to be constantly stirring over the next 3 or 4 minutes. After 3 or 4 minutes, add your vanilla extract to the agave and honey mixture. This mixture should be thinner than it was at room temperature. Now when you're pouring your honey over your oats, you want to just do a little bit at a time. I globbed all of it on top and my granola bars didn't stick together properly. But if you just leak a little bit, stir it up, leak a little bit, stir it up, leak a little bit, stir it up, and take your time with it, then your granola bars will stick together a lot better. Once your mixture is nice and wet but not sticky, dump it out onto the parchment paper and spread it around into a big rectangle. You can use the back side of a cooking sheet to smash it down. This is where you add the chocolate chips to, so sprinkle them across the top. If you have any extra honey and agave mixture left, you can drizzle it across the top. Next, put them in a cold fridge for about 2 or 3 hours and let that honey harden. When it comes out, cut into little squares and serve. When you're meal prepping these, I like to keep them alongside my regular meals as like a little dessert in the fridge. See you next time.